What's up, party people? I have the Razer phone. I'm gonna put a little tempered glass on this beautiful beast that I just picked up. I want to protect that screen, so we're gonna put a nice little screen protector on it. So the first thing we want to do is shut off your Razer phone like that. This is a tempered glass from Omax Armor, and it comes with a couple tempered glass. Oh, more than one. Comes with a few, so if you make a mistake, you're good to go. You have your stickers here to take off your dust, your alcohol pad, and then you want to get one of these microfiber cloths. So once your phone is off, you want to wipe it down like so. This should be a pretty easy install, simply because the Razer phone is not curved, it is flat, like a phone should be. Sorry, Samsung. Your phones are beautiful, but enough with the curved screens. I'm just kidding. I don't want to offend anybody out there. It's a beautiful phone, but I like the flat because the accessories are so easy to put on. It is just a beautiful thing. So once you wipe this down, like I told you before, do this at night before you go to bed, if you can. That way it sits overnight and you're good to go. You just want to take these little stings, make sure you get all your dust off. Like so. You want to get your tempered glass. And like I said, this is pretty easy to install because this phone is flat. You get your, and I like to put it sideways like this. Get your tempered glass, pull this off like so. Make sure you position it nice and perfect. Right about there should be good. Right there. Connect to your screen like so. Then you want to get all your bubbles out. And like I said, this one is pretty easy to install because it's simply just a flat 16:9 screen. You know, the Samsung phones and iPhones are a little harder to install. But that's it, man. Thanks for watching the video. This is the Omax Armor glass. You get quite a few in here if you want to try that out. It's pretty easy for the Razer phone. Just something to protect it, man. Protect your stuff, put a case on it. I'll be rocking a case on this for sure. Thanks for watching. I'm Android Stud. The tempered glass for the Razer phone. Peace, guys.